Robinhood and E TRADE too names investors know. But when the stakes are high, which platform really delivers? On the left, there's Robinhood, the app that revolutionized commission-free trading. And on the right, E TRADE, the seasoned contender trusted for decades. We're testing them in real-life scenarios, fees, features, user experience, investing tools, and customer support. Forget the hype and marketing spin. Let's dive into what actually matters for your money. Each category scores points, and at the end, we'll crown the winner. And the results might take you by surprise. Let's get into it. So here's the plan. We're comparing these two across some super important categories: fees and pricing, ease of use, features and tools, safety and security, alerts and customization, and of course, customer support. Keep all those in mind as we break it down. First up, it's all about the money. Fees and pricing. Robinhood pretty much built its entire reputation on zero commissions for stocks and ETFs and no account minimum. Like, who doesn't love free, right? E-Trade also offers free stock and ETF trades, but if you're trading options or want help from an actual broker, those fees start to peak in. So Robinhood definitely takes the crown here for keeping costs at rock bottom. Just heads up, there are some minor crypto and network fees hiding in fine print. Next, let's talk user experience. Ease of use. Robinhood is so ridiculously beginner-friendly, it almost feels like an app game. Opening an account is quick and painless, and really, the whole interface just makes sense, even if you've never bought a stock before. E-Trade, on the other hand, is loaded with tools and lets you tweak your dashboard, which is awesome once you get the hang of it. But honestly, that learning curve can be kind of rough for newbies. So in this round, Robinhood keeps it simple and takes the edge. But wait, what about features and tools? This is where E-Trade kinda shows off. E-Trade is packed. Think advanced charts, powerful research tools, access to mutual funds, fixed income stuff, even paper trading if you want to test your strategies. Robinhood does its basics while trading stocks, crypto, fractional shares, but honestly, if you want in-depth analytics or to go beyond mainstream stocks, that's not happening here. So for those hardcore traders or folks wanting to branch out, E-Trade definitely flexes harder. Oh, and here's something cool you might not have known. Robinhood's big debut? It basically kickstarted the whole zero-fee stock trading revolution back in 2020. Talk about shaking up Wall Street. Moving on to safety and security. Alright, Robinhood is insured, follows all the security best practices, but let's be real, it is a younger company and there have been some headline-grabbing outages in the past. ETRADE? Been around for decades, rock solid when it comes to regulations, and if you need help, you get 24/7 support. Occasionally it slows down when stuff gets wild on Wall Street, but honestly, most folks will take a proven track record over a couple of hiccups. So here, E-Trade pulls ahead. Now let's chat alerts and customization. Robinhood lets you set simple price alerts and not much else. E-Trade, oh man, you can get alerts on prices, breaking news, even fundamentals with tons of ways to fine-tune them. But, just a heads up, it can get a little overwhelming if you're brand new. Still, for anyone who loves options, more is better and E-Trade just wins this one. Last but not least, customer support. Robinhood's got email and chat and there's a basic FAQ, but honestly, their phone support is hit or miss if you can even get it. But E-Trade, 24/7 phone, chat, email, and an entire help center if you get stuck at 3 a.m. Only downside, sometimes there's a wait when markets are crazy, but at least you know someone will pick up eventually. Trade clearly comes out on top for customer support. So if you look at it side by side, Robinhood really owns the beginner experience and keeps things unbelievably cheap, but E-Trade? It just brings so much more to the table if you want to dig deep, trade anything, or need a safety net. Here's the deal. If you're just starting out or you want to trade crypto without getting a degree in finance, Robinhood is perfect. But if you're leveling up, want advanced research, or need every asset class and support possible, E-Trade's definitely your go-to. In this matchup, E-Trade takes the win overall. If you found this helpful, stick around and follow for more no-nonsense, side-by-side comparisons just like this.